I'm about to get into Glacier National Park. I've got a permit for a 36-mile loop that I pieced together on the Highline Trail and on the Continental Divide. I'm really excited to be in these mountains. I love it here. I'm at the Loop trailhead, and pretty soon here I'm gonna be hitching up to Logan Pass, and pretty excited for this. All right, here we go. My first campsite is right there. That's the Granite Park Lodge. This is just unbelievable trail. Glacier overlook. It's unbelievable. Oh my God. And there's these mountain goats right behind me, just chilling up there. I've wanted to see mountain goats that close for a long time. I've never actually seen one this close. This is just unreal. This glacier is insane. Look at this. I think it's time to hike down, get to the campsite for the night, and eat some dinner. I don't want to wake up. Oh, I slept like a baby in my new tent. Yeah. I think it's time to wake up though. Enjoy the views. I've got about 12 miles to hike today. Ugh. It's time to wake up and smell the roses. So this is by far one of my most favorite things that I see while hiking. When you can see the trail wrap around in the distance, you could follow it with your eyes for like miles. Right here. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it. The trail goes right there. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I really need some water though. Lunchtime. What's on the menu today? We got potato cheddar soup, definitely. Ooh. What do we have here? Instant noodles. Got a lot of up today. Holy crap, but I gotta go up there. Up there in that saddle. There it is, the top of this pass. Oh, I'm tired. Today really kicked my ass, that's for sure. I'm destroyed. But I have a beautiful campsite though. Just set up my Hilleberg. I love this tent so much. Awesome view. Really cool sun right behind me. I don't think it gets much better than this. everybody. There was a bear in my campsite last night, making a bunch of noise. I'd live to tell the tale. Today's my last day on the trail. Definitely gonna jump in Lake McDonald though. Gotta do that. I haven't showered in like a week, so a nice lake dip will be nice. Here it is. Yes, I did it. Oh, I think just under 48 hours too, because I started hitching here 2 days ago. Oh my God, yes. Look at that hiker tan line.